little bit of feathers, a little bit of poop. Okay. Do you see that? Look at. Oh, picking at me. Too hot to play. Well, it's another evening on Grumbles Homestead. The sun's going down. We're supposed to get a thunderstorm. I hope we do because it hasn't rained in a long, long time. Everything's really dry. Stuff laying out all over the place. These chickens taking it pretty easy tonight. Too hot to play. Too hot to play. Is it too hot to lay eggs? That's what we gotta know too. Is it too hot to lay eggs? Because it's time for the egg count. All right, we're gonna do the egg count. We're gonna pop right through this tonight. I don't know if there's any special news going on or not, but the chickens are all good. We haven't had no raccoons around. We haven't had no chaos. There's a few odd ones that like to pick on each other. There's always a pecking order. They just love it. Anyways, we're gonna go with crate number 1. Got a comment? How many? Take a guess. Throw a comment in there about how many eggs you think we're gonna get today. I have no idea. It's been pretty hot. They've been drinking water, not tons of it. I figured they'd be drinking more, but they don't seem to be like panting too much. They don't have sweat glands, so they pant like a dog.
And now the weather forecast with Greta Thunberg.
Hot!
That was the weather with Greta Thunberg.
Anyways, indoor number 1, we got the hen. Hi, hen. Oh, picking at me. Please. She's got eggs in there too, so that's why. Okay, what do we got here? For the first count, we got, 3. 1, 2. What do we got for the second count? Got any more in there than 3? Well, there's 1. There's 4. Chicken, I just gotta check one more time. We're gonna lift you right up. No, you're good. Get in there. Watch your wing. Good night. Whoa, she's a nasty one. Remember we had 2 in there? Well, there's the other one in the other. She's probably protecting some too. She looks a little rougher. Are you a little rougher? You ready? Oh, you're not gonna peck me? Oh, look at that. We got some more eggs. We got 1, 2. You got any more in there, girl? There's 3. That's a pretty big one. Okay, lift you up. That's it. She pecked me on the way out. Oh, we only got like 7 so far. Not a big count. It's been pretty hot, like I say. I don't know. Nobody feels like doing anything when it's really hot. Hey, yeah, you. The one not subscribed. You watch 3 of my videos in a row and try not to join the chaos. I dare you. We're supposed to have a thunderstorm coming through tonight. Like I said, I hope it just wails. And a good ground soaking for like, I don't know, a couple days. Nothing pounding because the ground won't absorb it, but you know, constant rain. All right, how we doing on the egg count today? Not too well. Hey, what do you think? You got something you want to put in there? No, everybody just kind of sitting here. I think they're all ready to go to bed. Get out of here, chicken daddy. All right, this is our final one as far as I know. Oh, look it. Do you see that beside there? And they're all like green and blue ones. That's pretty cool. Let me grab them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got a half a dozen, right? A little bit of feathers, a little bit of poop. That's all right. We don't eat the poop. We don't eat the shells. We're getting there. Oh. All right, we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 13. So far, we got the 13. We need 7 to get our 20 record. I don't think there's gonna be 7 in here, but we'll check. Are you ready? You ready for this? Boop. Oh, here's the little girl. She's gonna get upset, aren't you? Can I reach in there? You have got eggs, not 7 of them. I feel 4. There's 4 of them. Plop them in there. Plop. Plop. Got a piece of something in there, bark or something. Look at that, 17. You got any more in here? Can I lift you up? No, you're good. All right, one last get along the floor. I don't think there's have you eaten any today there, chickens? Look at the mess you're making all over the place. I gotta bring that other fermented scratch in. Buck, 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 buck. I know. Well, it looks like the count is 17. Not bad for a day's pull. Like, I can't eat 17 eggs in one day. So, there you have it. I don't see any more in here. Oh, look at. Oh. Did you see that? No, you didn't see it yet. Let me show you. I was just walking out and I was looking at another place. They lay occasionally, and look at this. Bang. By the rooster's crow. That's a full 17 or 18 pack. Ooh, ooh. And the rooster goes ooh, 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 as soon as I found it. It's like winning the prize. Ha! There we go. We got 18. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Usually they crow in the morning. I don't know, he's probably telling everybody to get their ass to bed. So I better get out of here and let you guys get to bed. Look at them, they're all sitting there waiting to go to bed. Say goodnight, chickens. Good night, chickens. Thanks for the 18 eggs today. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day from Grumbles Homestead. Take care, people. He's announcing bedtime. I better get out of here before he beats me up. Later.
Farm life on Grumbles Homestead. Like and subscribe.